Welcome back. This is round 2 in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The correct scores are Spanish Town Primary on 5 and Belair Prep on 7. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics. It's between Jaden Green of Belair Prep, who's up against Renice Earl of Spanish Town Primary. Jaden, we begin with you. A man bought an item for $4,500 and sold it at a profit of 20%. For how much did he sell it?
$5,400.
That's right. What's the sum of 97.8 and 55.6?
153.4.
That's right. Giving the answer in hours and minutes. What is 4 hours, 50 minutes, plus 3 hours, 25 minutes?
8 hours and 15 minutes.
That's correct. What are the members of the set of prime numbers between 20 and 35 inclusive?
23, 29, 31.
That is correct. What is 98.5675? Rounded to the nearest thousandth.
98.568.
That is correct. 5 of 5. Jaden, we now go over to you, Renice. A woman bought a handbag for $3,500 and sold it at a loss of 30%. For how much was it sold?
$4,550.
That's incorrect. Jaden, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's $2,450. Renice, what's the sum of 88.6 and 55.7?
144.3.
That's right. Giving the answer in hours and minutes, what is 6 hours, 47 minutes, plus 2 hours, 29 minutes?
9 hours and 16 minutes.
That is correct. Renice, what are the members of the set of prime numbers between 40 and 55 inclusive?
41, 43, and 51.
That's incorrect.
53.
That's incorrect. Jaden, want to try?
Yes, sir. Yes, please. 41, 43, 47, and 53.
That is correct. Renice, what is 76.0678? Rounded to the nearest hundredth.
76.07.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of science. It's between Jonathan Davis of Belair Prep, who's up against Kishan Campbell of Spanish Town Primary. Jonathan, what type of soil is made with a balance of sand, silt, and clay soil?
Loam.
That's right. What kind of pitch would you get if you pluck short, tight strings on a guitar?
A high pitch.
That's right. When muddy water is allowed to stand, small particles settle at the bottom. What are these particles called?
Gravel.
That's incorrect. Kishan, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Sediments.
That is correct. Jonathan, what are the 2 main parts of a pea plant, as in PEA, plant? Kishan, want to try?
No, thank
It's
you.
the root and shoot or radical and plumule. Jonathan, what's the most appropriate measurement for the weight of a bag of cement? Is it kilograms, grams, or milligrams?
Kilograms.
That is correct. Kishan, we're now over to you. Which type of soil is made up of rock and mineral particles that are larger than clay but smaller than sand?
Silt.
Question passes. Jonathan, want to try?
No, miss.
It is silt. Kishan, What word describes objects which shine in the same way as the moon?
Luminous.
That's incorrect. Jedithan, want to try?
Yes, Miss. Illuminated.
That is correct. Kishan, in what part of the soil do plants thrive best?
Topsoil.
That's right. What type of roots grow from branches down to the ground to support the tree?
Taproot.
That's incorrect. Jedithan, want to try? Want to try?
No, Miss.
It's prop roots. Kishan, what's the most appropriate measurement for the volume of water in a reservoir? Is it milliliters, liters, or kiloliters?
Kiloliters.
That is correct. Taking us now to English language. It's between Coyote Mitchell of Belair Prep. Coyote goes up against Levon Levy of Spanish Town Primary. Coyote, in the correct order, spell the homonyms which mean the ring of bells and the skin of a fruit.
P-E-E-L and P-E-A-L.
That's incorrect. It's in the that's incorrect. Levon, want to try?
Yes, thank you. P-E-A-L and P-E-E-L.
That is correct. Coyote, what tense is used in this sentence? I will be going to school next year.
Future continuous tense.
That's right. Coyote, spell calamity.
C-A-L-L-I-M-M-I-T-Y.
That's incorrect. Levon, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's calamity. C-A-L-A-M-I-T-Y. Coyote, complete the proverb. All is grist that... Question passes. Levon, want to try?
No, thank you.
It comes to the mill. Coyote, give a 6-letter verb starting with L, which means to express grief or disappointment. Question passes. Levon, want to try?
No.
It's lament. Levon, we're now over to you. In the correct order, spell the homonyms which mean a salty liquid produced by the eyes and a row or level of a structure.
T-E-A-R and T-I-E-R.
That is correct. Levon, what tense is used in this sentence? Yesterday, I went to the market.
Past tense.
That's right. Spell cyclical or cyclical.
S-Y-C-L-I-C-L-A-T.
That's incorrect. Coyote, want to try?
No, miss.
It's cyclical. C-Y-C-L-I-C-A-L. Levon, complete the proverb. April showers bring forth... Question passes. Coyote, want to try?
No, miss.
Mayflowers. Levon, give a 7-letter verb starting with P, which means to make a place dirty or impure.
Pollute.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of social studies. It's between David Dunkley of Belair, who is up against Julian Cash of Spanish Town Primary. David, Liamuga is the Amerindian name of which Caribbean island?
St. Kitts and Nevis.
That is correct. What's the name of the heritage site in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica that consists of a cliff with a drop of approximately 1,700 feet? Julian, want to try?
No, miss.
It's Lover's Leap. David, in what year did U.S. civil rights leader Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. visit Jamaica?
Pass.
Julian, want to try?
No, miss.
It's 1965. David, which of Jamaica's national heroes threatened to call a general strike and was placed in detention for 17 months?
Alexander Bustamante.
That is correct. Which of Jamaica's national emblems is known as the Wood of Life because of its medicinal qualities?
Lignum vitae.
That is correct. Julian, we're now over to you. Hewanora is the Amerindian name of which Caribbean island?
St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
That's incorrect. David, want to try?
No, miss.
It's St. Lucia. Julian, What's the name of the heritage site in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, that's approximately 2.5 miles long with tall bamboo forming a canopy over it? Question passes. David, want to try?
Yes, Miss. Holland Bamboo.
Accepted. That is correct, or Bamboo Avenue. Julian, in what year did Ethiopian Emperor Haile Selassie visit Jamaica?
1993.
That's incorrect. David, want to try? David,
No,
want to try?
miss.
It's 1966. Julian, which of Jamaica's national heroes established the Jamaica Broadcasting Corporation?
Norman Manley.
That is correct. Julian, which of Jamaica's national emblems is used in cabinet making?
Aki. Aki.
That's incorrect. David, want to try?
Yes, Mr. Blue Maho.
The Blue Maho is the correct answer. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are Spanish Town Primary on 16 and Belair Prep on 23. Stay tuned. The final challenge will determine our winners right after this break.